Hey friends, today we'll learn how to add nickname on Facebook account. First of all, open Facebook. Click on three lines in the upper corner. Scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on personal information. Click on your name. Click on add a nickname or birth name. Select a name type you want to use. After select, enter your name. Select the option if you want to show at your profile picture like that. You preview below. Click on save, and after click on save, your nickname will show on your profile. If you like our video, please subscribe.